Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you have admin access, and if you'll inspect hardware, a screwdriver at hand. Once ready, open the OS tool, Disk Management in Windows or System Information on macOS. On Linux, use lsblk. These tools show connected storage immediately, so you're acting now, not later. You'll see drive sizes and types. This first look tells you whether an SSD is present logically before you touch cables or panels. Once done with the initial tool, examine the model string, capacity, and interface to distinguish SSDs from HDDs. SSDs often list NVMe or PCIe or show no spinning media indicators. On Windows, use Device Manager or a third-party utility to read smart attributes. On Linux, check /sys/block or sudo smartdel-a. Make sure to correlate model numbers online only if necessary. If labels are unclear, plan a brief physical inspection to confirm form factor and connector type. You finish by assigning a clear label or drive letter and recording the mount point so you can find the SSD later. If the drive doesn't appear, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to see if it's detected, then power down and receipt cables or the M2 module. If problems persist, update the drive's firmware or test the SSD in another system to isolate faults. If you still can't see it, consider a controller or adapter issue as the likely culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.